Hey, this is Victoria again. I just uploaded a video. I was thinking about maybe letting you see the little devil in my life. It's not a child, but it's louder. It's way louder than the sound that this thing makes. Sounds like someone scratching on a chalkboard, but it's the cutest thing you'll ever see. You ever see? Protect your ears. I can't even be around it without getting a headache. Oh crap. Little toy poodle. Hey, I'll let you out in a second. Lock the door. He's mean. He's so cute though, isn't he cute? His name is Franklin. I think I already said that. No, I'm not that. I mean, that he's a toy poodle. And he is like very strange. Please don't pee on me. Or I will sit on you. Until you scream. Oh wait, he screams anyway. Hey, please don't chew on my shoes or I'll beat you with them. I've got all my shoes back there because we're moving. Okay, dude, I'm gonna take my favorite bracelet off and sit right there. You little boy. Don't look at me like that. He climbs like all over me, and it's just like, no. Just no, dude. See, just like, okay, just please play with one of your toys. He's got a billion toys and never plays with them, dude. Get off me, dude. See, now he can't get on top of me. But he, he just snorted. Oh my, she can hear me. She probably thinks I'm talking to myself. Get off of me. Hey, little boy. You know what? How about you get back in your cage? Get away. He popped up in my face and like, sharp teeth. You did that. I didn't do that. His sharp teeth just, don't chew on my toes, my fingers, anything on me. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't like dogs licking me. It's kind of gross. Because it's just like constant licking, you know. No. And it's kind of sticky. I like this floor. Why is it sticky? I don't like sticky floors. No, you don't bite me. What I tell you? I said you don't bite me. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna beat you to death. No. I'll give you your toy. Hey! See what I tell you? What? No. That is enough. You broke your cage. I'm gonna knock you out. By the way, I didn't hit him. I hit the cage. locked myself in. My car is so noisy. I want it. Well, I'm bored now. Or how do you think? Is this? Oh. There is nothing around here to do except for nothing. I can tell you some of the applications I got on my phone, and if the video cuts off, then I'll do another video. Woo! Just awesome like that. Well, I've got the regular applications that it comes with, and then I got Facebook, Ski Shoot, Trictionary, which is skateboard tricks and all that. Justin Bieber application, Selena Gomez application, Party Train, what that's tonight. Then Oh Snap, Light, Yo Mama, Yo Mama, Yo Mama 2, Yo Mama 3, Yo Mama 4, Yo Mama 5, Tubes, free, Games, free, MySpace, iGunLite, two different ones. Don't laugh, okay, I thought it was funny at the time. Fart Button, and then Fart for free, and then Hilarious Bumper Stickers, and then Animals, and then Knock Knock Jokes, and then I don't know what that says. And then one name, Mean Name, and then Sam's Remote, like Harley. White Pages, Dig Gold free. It's not. KDKA. I got that because I felt like there was gonna be a tornado because it was like black outside, and then I was walking the dog, and the wind was blowing really hard, and like pouring down rain. And then Air Horn, Pretty Little Liars, Desk Bell, Love Match, Graffiti Can, Face Goo, Light, My Town, Reflex Test, Knife Dancing, I can't read that, Funny Faces, Light, Donuts, free, I was craving donuts at the time, and then Teen Truth or Dare, Dictionary, Either or, This or That, Cavity Free 3D, I don't know, iBrush, like impossible game, like you can't make teeth white, I don't know. And then Pac-Man, and then Doodle Buddy. And that's pretty much it. That was really pointless, but better than what I usually do. I don't. Maybe for the next video, some people could send me a message or comment or something, telling me what I should do. It's appropriate or not like something that would like kill me, and just normal things like I showed you around my room. I showed you some pictures. I don't know what else I could do, but maybe you should give me some hints, like give me some ideas on what color I should dye my hair next. So I'm thinking about making it like the girl that plays Cat on Victorious, or like almost black, with like blonde highlights. No, I was gonna do like black with blonde highlights, and then one like pink. So just tell me what I should do. Because this color, I feel like it's fading. But everybody says, no, it's the same color. I'm like, no, it's not. But I love this color right here. Oh my gosh, that scared me. This one. Yeah. So, I guess we will see you later. That was really stupid. Bye.